have faith if you don't abide in God. You can't have faith if you don't know who He is. Because in a relationship, you know the person. In a relationship, there's intimacy that's built.
When we grab hold of Jesus, we should not let go. Don't lose your faith in Him. Keep holding on to Him. Do not let go.
You're my love. You're mine. All I want to be is intimate with you.
Break out yourself from feeling down, whatever you are at. Boom, break it out and rise up for what God has called you to be.
That's right.
You guys got that?
Preach it, brother.
You know, you guys got that? When you start doing that, you start feeling this thing called anointing. Like sometimes it's so physical right now that it soaks you like the rain itself.
You have to be the light. Shine through. Even on a day like this, look how bright it is up here in the hell. You gotta be the light that shines through anything. Anything. You see that cross right there? You realize there ain't nothing on it? Because the man that was on that is no longer on the cross. He's already taken everything and He's taking it away already. So don't let nothing hold you back. Nothing.
Listen to Him.
Yes. Yes.
So be silent and just start listening to His voice because He's talking to you.
For the next youth, the next generation, I want to encourage you guys to come out, to come in fellowship, get to know people who you haven't met yet. I haven't met him, seriously, until today. And that's how you connect, and that's how you grow in faith. So that's a little encouragement for y'all.
That's right, that's not it. And I bet you guys probably haven't even known me too. And my brother here. So next time come out and we would love to get to meet to know everybody. Hey, you know what's up? Everybody come in and get to know, huh? Go next time, let's talk about it. That's right. You guys see this? You don't get this type of love anywhere. You know? You don't get this type of fellowship anywhere.
Come on in.
Come on in. That's right. Ah.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. You just keep inviting people in like this.
That's right.
And we're going to start from 1, you go 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
And just keep going.
Alright, nè cho guys, nè cho nè lúc khao sự con à. Đây che sợ nè next time phải to mà phải sợ bỏ nè rồi. Nè nè, bỏ lỏng nó thì nó sợ. Nè mà bỏ thì phải to nó. Phải to cởi to xuống lên to tuổi, phải to cởi to chỉ є xuống thế phải to cởi to phải còn brotherhood nè. Phải fellowship nè. Còn nè cho nhiều cái sầu là chế nè, phải sao cái này to thì nó. To là phải sẽ cổ, tôi không như thế còn phải mua sòng to là phải mua cái nè. Nè bao nó phải có phải sản chính này phải sản bao này hơn. Nếu khỏi theo này chỉ bảo để cũng có mỏng của nhà thì sao nó thế?เราก็ดีเราสร้างแต่นอเทียดูแต่ชีดูยอดเด่นยอดในตัวแต่นอจะได้จับป้องซื้อเลยในพ่อเหรอ That's right ปะยอ Yeah, so we just want to encourage you guys to come on next time and check out my hat this time, okay? Got you guys.